Hi, I'm Barbara Goldstein. I teach freshman English, and you're about to see a demonstration on how we use clickers in the classroom. We use clickers in conjunction with a PowerPoint, and the clickers enable students to show the instructor how much they've understood of the presentation that's just been given. Gives the instructor the ability to know whether to go back over the material again or whether everybody understands it and it's time to move ahead. Instructors use clickers to help engage students in the material that's being presented, and we also can tell what students have understood based upon the answers that they punch into their clickers. Sometimes we find out that the students understand the material and it's time to move on, or perhaps if everybody's answered the question incorrectly, maybe it's time to go over the material one more time. Here's our first comma rule. We use a comma to separate independent clauses joined by a coordinating conjunction. So let's see what that means. Independent clauses are parts of the sentence that could stand alone as a full sentence. So we have, I saw the chimp, that's a whole sentence. I didn't see the giraffe, that's a whole sentence. Those are independent clauses. If we connect them with a coordinating conjunction, that would be one of these words. I learned them by using the rhyming words in the middle, and, but, or, for, nor, so, and yet. Many of you may have learned them, especially if you went through our prep program here, as a fanboy. And each of the initials and the first letters of fanboy stands for one of the conjunctions. F for, A for and, N for nor, B for but, O for or, Y for yet, and S for so. So those are our coordinating conjunctions. Remember, if you don't repeat the subject in the second part, don't use that comma, because you no longer have two independent clauses. So if we say, I saw the chimp but didn't see the giraffe, now I saw the chimp, we have a subject here, and this is an independent clause, but we have didn't see the giraffe over here, there's no subject. And even though I have the but there, I'm not going to use a comma with it. Your turn. Time to take a shot with your clicker. Which of these sentences is punctuated correctly? Have their clickers on. And here I see how many have given the correct answers. If I need to add more time, I'll click on the plus. And if everyone is entered, like now, I can click on the minus, and that ends us. We found in the classroom that the clickers keep students engaged. If they're likely to sleep through your lectures, they will at least wake up to punch in their clicker answer, and most of the time they stay awake because they know there's some accountability. The clickers can be set to be anonymous or not anonymous. I always keep mine anonymous because it permits students just to take a chance and be wrong. But you can also use it in a testing situation where you can set it to know which students answered incorrectly.